it is another day out in the garage working on the first gen 4Runner. Over the last couple weeks, you've seen me basically strip all of the paint off of this truck, do some rust repair, tear the whole interior out. I've basically just been gutting it over the last few weeks and trying to get down to a base level so I can start from scratch. The plan for today is to start getting this thing cleaned up and prepped for paint. Basically, this thing has just been sitting in here getting covered in dust over the last couple weeks while I've been doing all of those rust repairs and paint removal, etc. So it's just caked in dust at the moment. While I have the garage door open, I want to go ahead and take the air compressor, blow everything off outside and in the best I can, try to get all this dust gone, and then we will start wiping the truck down with some wax and grease remover, get everything taped up and ready for primer. I know I've had a couple different people reaching out asking what color it's going to be, and I think I've said this already, but I'm going to paint the truck its factory color, which is gunmetal gray, which is playing in my favor because I don't have to be as calculated with my tape job and paying attention to overspray and stuff like that, just because all of the door jambs and the inside of the truck are already that dark gray that I want to replicate on the outside of the truck. So that's playing in my favor. I got about an hour of daylight left, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into this and yeah, try to get some of this dust cleaned up, and then we will go from there. It is the next morning. I got most of the tape done last night. Most of the truck is prepped and ready to spray. I got a couple spots that I got to tie up in the rear end and finish getting taped, and then get these tires and wheels covered up. I don't know the next time it's going to be above 50 degrees out here, so we are just going to go ahead and spray some primer today. It is about 45 degrees, which isn't ideal, but it's not terrible. So gonna start getting the rear end finished taped up and then get some primer laid on this thing. All right, it is the next night. Last night I was able to finish up getting the truck primered. Did a couple passes with this Toyota Magnetic Gray, which is the color that I want to paint the truck. I just got a little antsy and wanted to see what it would look like on the body. And it is a beautiful gray color. But I've been going back and forth with myself a ton whether or not I should just rattle can the truck and get it over with, or take some additional time and do a decent paint job on the truck. Unfortunately, it's super cold out here in Denver, and I don't see it warming up here anytime in the near future. Definitely have a couple weeks before it's going to be warm enough to paint again. So I am going to fall back on painting and getting the truck finished up. In that sense, I am at a little bit of a standstill, but I do have one more thing that I can knock out before I call it a night. I did pull in the factory roll bar into the garage, and I'm just going to take off this little cover off of here, give this thing a rough sand, and just get some of that little surface rust off of there. This thing's honestly not in terrible condition at all, and then just spray paint it black again. Figured that I would just go ahead and knock that out, get it out of the way, leave it indoors. That's the plan right now, is I'm going to bring this roll bar back to life. All right, roll bar is all sprayed. I got the first layer of paint down. I used a rustolium flat black. I'm gonna go ahead and let this coat dry overnight just so I have a solid base to go off of. And then tomorrow I will spray this with black gloss. Really didn't take much to clean it up. I took an 80 grit sanding foam pad or foam block, wiped it down for maybe 10-15 minutes, and it was almost back down to metal. So that was pretty easy. I have a couple parts coming in from Trail Gear either this week or the following. So as soon as that stuff gets in, I will be able to start tearing axles out of this truck, start the process to getting the rear axle swapped in, and then this weekend I'm hoping to go and pick up the front axle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep collecting parts, get as much stuff at the house as I can so I have plenty of work to keep me going. I'm a little bummed that I couldn't get the truck painted this week. That was the initial goal. But overall, I think it's going to be worth it to just hold out and wait for a nice warm day, as well as I pivoted from doing rattle can. So this thing will look pretty sweet when it's all finished. Obviously, it's not going to look like a show truck. It's still got a ton of body damage and dents and whatnot. But since I took it all the way down to metal, might as well spend the time to make it look halfway decent. So anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you everyone who's been following along with these videos. I know they're kind of all over the place, but they've been fun to make, and this thing has been a ton of fun to work on. Gonna try to get out and do some wheeling here shortly as well. I know I said it in the last two videos, but I have some things that have been sitting around for the last couple weeks that I need to go and get out and film some videos for. So that's the plan here in the next week or two. Get out, do some wheeling. We'll have a ton more parts to start throwing at this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, and I will see you next week.